Hello YouTube friends and welcome. A long time no Swiss knife on my channel, so I have purchased a while ago on this nice limited edition box set, but never ended up on making a video. So when I remembered, I taken it out, and now I would like to share it with you. So, being that this is a limited edition item, I don't know how available will it be when you see this video. So, but for the sake of the presentation, I will, like always, tell you what you have inside this package, and maybe then you can go and see if you can buy them separately, or maybe this package but in different color variations, because Victorinox did made it in several color variants. So this is the green one, then you have also a blue, pink, orange, and I would like to say white, but I am not sure of that. Okay, so as you can see, this is a nice presentation box. Inside this box, you will find a Swiss classic tomato, because it is a knife dedicated to cutting tomatoes, but don't be fooled. This is an excellent day-to-day kitchen knife. And of course, you will have a translucent scaled Spartan. So if you are interested to see the model number, it is 1.8901.L4. Probably the L4 stands for the color variant. So also, if you want to find them, you can search for Victorinox color twins. Okay, so inside the box you have a little pamphlet with your standard informations. So this particular pamphlet is in Slovak, because was for a Slovak reseller. And of course we have here the rounded cornered serrated classic tomato. This is an excellent knife for all your breakfast and dinner and lunch needs. So it will cut fruit, vegetables, meat, bread. It will stay reasonably sharp, and also you can just touch it up with a ceramic rod, or if you have a shop maker. Okay, so the second product, or second part of the package, is the beautifully nice green translucent Spartan. And inside, of course, you have your basic tools, which include the primary blade, a secondary pen blade, and then you have your can opener and screwdriver, and of course a beverage opener or bottle opener, and also a flathead screwdriver. On the opposite side you have your awl for all your punching and self-defense, no and also for if you need to stitch some piece of garment or whatever. And also, if you like to open your bottle of the wine on the road and you are not at home, then you can also use a nice bottle opener here. Lastly, you have your keychain ring, and also a toothpick, and your standard tweezers. So just a standard Spartan with the limited edition translucent green, lime green scales, or neon greens, should I say. So the Spartan, if you are interested, the open length is 16 centimeters or 6.3 inches, and the handle is 91 millimeters or 9.1 centimeters and 3.6 inches. The weight of the Spartan is 60 grams or 2.1 ounce. The classic tomato is has a 11 centimeter blade that is 4.3 inches and an overall length of 21.8 centimeters or 8.6 inches. The weight of the knife is only 25 grams or 0.66 ounces. So you will also get another pamphlet here, just to show you how to open a can with the can opener, also the screwdriver and a cap lifter. So these are your standard maintenance tips, how to put a little bit dab of oil in these crevices here so that the knife stays lubricated and well maintained. The blade on both are the proprietary stainless steel from Victorinox. They really do not specify the exact steel composition. Probably is a national secret. Okay, so these were the color twins from Victorinox. If you have any other questions, please leave the comments down below. And as always, have a nice day. Bye.